kitchen. Kansas City born and raised, this mother of two is on a mission to bring families and communities together one meal at a time. And today she is joining us in the kitchen. Welcome here to Better Kansas City. First off, what is Gangsta Goodies? Am I saying that right?
You're saying it right. You got it.
Gangsta Goodies Kitchen. What is that? And you just celebrated a little bit of a milestone with it, right?
I did. We just celebrated our 100th episode.
Wow.
So we've been doing this for a minute. We've been pushing these videos out.
And it's on, people can watch it on YouTube, right?
Absolutely.
Okay.
Yes.
So what's that like being kind of like you're a YouTube superstar, YouTube star here in Kansas City?
Well, you know, I didn't realize I was until my grandson, who's 5, who lives in Germany, calls me one morning and he says, Gigi, you're famous. I saw you on YouTube.
Really?
So that's when I realized I was a YouTube star.
So that's how you know you've made it anymore, is when you're famous on YouTube, right?
Absolutely.
Okay. Well, first off, what are we going to be making here today? Because this is everybody I think is familiar with Caribbean jerk chicken, right? But this is just Caribbean jerk on shrimp.
On shrimp, correct.
Okay.
So jerk is the Jamaican barbecue.
Okay.
And so you can do chicken, you can do shrimp, you can do fish. And so in the Gangsta Goodies kitchen, we love jerk shrimp.
All right.
Jerk is one of my favorite spices, and traditionally you're gonna cook it on a charcoal grill.
Okay.
But we don't have a charcoal grill right here, so we're gonna impose.
All right, perfect.
Yes,
so
yes.
we're gonna start with the shrimp. Now, are these like heads on and deveined or all that kind of stuff?
They're already deveined.
Okay.
The shell is still on. I did have them cut the heads off, because that kind of freaks some people out.
I mean, some
I
folks.
love it like that, but
but yeah, we want to make sure everybody's comfortable. Sure.
Absolutely.
Okay.
And so I've seasoned them, marinated them overnight in my Mike P's jerk seasoning.
Oh, okay. So you've already done a lot of prep work here for this stuff that we're putting on the grill tonight, overnight.
Absolutely.
Okay, and that's is it the sauce or just the rub here?
It's just the rub.
Okay.
That's on here, and then we finish it with the sauce.
Okay. And do you put anything else on it to marinate with the rub?
Absolutely. A little bit of olive oil, and that's it.
That's a pretty simple marinade.
Pretty
right there.
simple, yes,
okay.
Absolutely.
Well, while you're getting that started here, what is the stove getting going?
It's getting warm.
We're getting there. See, I don't know how to use our stove. That's what the other people are paid for, not me. But we're going to try to make it work anyway.
We're going to make it work. Yes. So we're going to put those in there.
Yeah. So basically, I know a little bit about cooking shrimp, but I know there's a little bit of a trick to it too, because you don't want to cook it too long.
Correct.
But you want to make sure you cook it all the way through.
Correct.
Okay.
Correct. So I cook them about, because what you're going to do is you're going to lay them flat in your skillet, and you're going to cook them about a minute on each side. Okay.
Okay.
Flip it. Cook it again, and then the last thing we do, we put a pat of butter or a teaspoon of butter, then put a little bit of that jerk sauce, and finish it up.
And it'll like mix it up or whatever.
Absolutely.
What else would you then serve with the Caribbean shrimp or the jerk shrimp when you're done with it?
I would serve rice and peas or black beans and rice. Today I made some black beans and rice for you guys.
Okay.
And some sauteed cabbage.
Some sauteed cabbage. Oh,
yes.
I thought that was. There's sauteed cabbage in there?
That's cabbage, yes.
Really?
And there's carrots in there, julienne carrots.
Wow.
Some red bell peppers, yes.
And then a little bit of vinaigrette, or what did you put on top of there? Is that?
Actually, I came across this new spice that I absolutely love. It's common in Latino dishes.
Okay.
And it's the Salzan Tropical. Oh my goodness. My daughter found it, and it's my favorite.
All right. Well, I'm going to go ahead and I think take a quick bite here. But
you
while
go right
I'm doing
ahead.
that, what do you guys have on the horizon for the Gangsta Goodies kitchen?
Absolutely. So actually, my guest this week is Jolie Justice, who is running for mayor of Kansas City.
She is.
And yes, and so she's going to make us some no-bake cookies, and then she's going to share her vision for Kansas City.
All right. Well, I got the biggest fork that I could find, and we're gonna try to eat some food here.
Yes.
So Sheila, thank you for being here.
You're
it's
welcome.
Lovely to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
All right, Belinda, over. You know, I'll have to talk. Hold on a second. Let's eat this first. Yeah, we're talking. That's good.
Yay.
All right, thank you very much again.
Thank you.
All right, this is the tricky part because you got